Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial by Pay Hero Kenya. So in this tutorial we shall be showing you how to integrate our Pay Hero APIs into your Shopify store or shop. Okay, so if you have a Shopify store or shop and you want to accept payments via Mpesa, we shall be showing you how to do it using our Pay Hero SPS APIs. Okay, so Pay Hero SPS service is a simple service that enables Kenyan merchants or individuals, business owners to accept or receive payments online. Okay, you can get paid online with your customers. So you can link our service to your website, to your shop, your system, and also get a link to get paid online easily if you're not a non-technical person who wants to receive payments. So we have APIs for developers also as well, so that you can integrate our services to different systems using our developer APIs right here. So we have several APIs. You can see here, you can register an account, see transactions, balance, and much more. But for now, we shall be focusing on this Shopify register account API for this tutorial. Okay, so with a SPS service, you can link your bank, pay bill, or till number. So let's assume you have a bank account and you want to track payments made to your bank account. It could be hectic sometimes to know who has made which payment, and if you want to automate that with your system, because by default banks don't really give you access to APIs you can integrate with your system directly or easily. It's a process. So Pay Hero will enable you to do that. So if you're receiving payments online, so you will be paid, and we can send the notification to your system, and you can know, okay, this payment is for this particular thing. Or if you have your pay bill or till number, you can also do the same. So it's easy. Come to payherokenya.com/SPS right there. Then press get started. You go create your account right there. So once you create your account, you log into your account. Then you activate your account. You'll find a button here to verify your account, so that your account is verified before you can start transacting or using it. So once you have activated your account, you can start using it. Okay, you can start using it by you have your Lipo link here. This is the link you can share with your customers to quickly get paid. So if you want to quickly get paid, you can just give this link to your customers and they can pay you easily. You can share it on your social media, WhatsApp, or any other platform you want to get paid, or if you want to get paid easily. Okay, so that's it. So you can also link your payment channel. If you have a bank, pay bill, or till number you want to link to a platform to receive payments directly to, you can do so. We do not hold your funds. When you get paid, the money goes straight to your linked channel. The only thing we do is we charge you a small service fee for processing the payments or facilitating the transaction to happen. So you can come here, you can link your pay bill or till number. I just provide the till number or the pay bill number, provide the number there, then provide the account number if it's pay bill. It's the bank, the same thing. You can select your bank from the list of the banks that we have there. We have over 40 banks here, and even if your bank is not listed here, you can also let us know. We can add it for you. Add the bank here, then provide your bank account number and register. It's as simple as that. Once you've registered, you can start using our platform. So you can see our rates, our transaction costs here. So we charge a very small fee for processing your payments, and you can find them on the payments menu under transaction charges. You can come here and see the rates we charge for any payment you receive. We charge zero fees for any amount between 1 shilling to 49 shillings. It's zero. Between 50 shillings to 499, it's 3 shillings. 500 to 999, it's 5 shillings. Like that, going all the way. So with this, you can be informed of what volumes of transaction you expect, and you can now just know how much you can top up into your wallet. Let's say you receive mostly payments up to the tunes of maybe 7,000. Okay, between 50 shillings to 7,000. So you can know the maximum you can be charged is 35 shillings. So that means you can top up your account with an amount that will facilitate you to get all transactions within these ranges. So let's say if you top up maybe 200 shillings or 500 shillings to your account, that can facilitate you to transact easily without any problem, because when your service wallet is low, transactions won't go through. Your customers will get an error or something. So you are advised to monitor your service wallet, and we also send you notifications if your service wallet is low. So we send you via WhatsApp and also via email and SMS as well, so you can be notified and know if your account is low, you need to top it up at any time. So for today we are going just to look at integrating with Shopify. Okay, so assuming you have a Shopify store and you are the admin. So like here I have my Shopify store right here. So we want to integrate our service, SPS service, to get paid via Mpesa on your store. So what you do, the first step is you come to settings here. Once you've logged into your Shopify admin, the way you see I've logged in here, go to settings, then go to payments, then you scroll down to manual payment methods right here. Then you can add your manual payment method here, create a custom payment method, provide the name, Mpesa, additional details, and payment instructions. So those ones you can see from the one I've created here. You see, you can use this text the way it is, or this, and this one here, payment instructions, the way they are, like that. That one we shall see practically how additional details and payment instructions, how they are located on the website. Then the next thing, after creating the manual payment method here, the next thing is go to apps and sales channels. So when you go to apps and sales channels, we want to create develop apps. So we want to create an app that will enable us to integrate now to Pay Hero. Okay, so because we'll need a few credentials to register there, so that we can automate now. When someone pays on your store, that will be automatically sent to your store and updates the order and notifies you have been paid and all that. So we need to develop an app that will automatically help us to do that. So come to develop apps here. So you'll see your list of apps. So for me, I have already created Pay Hero SPS app here. But if you don't have one now, you'll create here. Just create an app, give it a name. Then the developer will be, so you select the account, default account that is there. For this case, this is the admin account that is there, so it should be the admin account. So give it the name and create the app. Okay, so once you create the app, you will come and click on it, like the way I'm doing right here. Click on the app. So on the app, you will be required to set up some admin API integration, under configuration right here. Okay, you'll be required to set up, so you can review configuration, or you can click on this to see all the configurations that you have set. So for me, I have just given it I've selected all the applicable, you see 101, or I just selected everything because I do want to be specific. So you can select all of them. Okay, then after that you can save them. You can save those configurations. So go back to overview here, so you can review configuration. Okay, these are the configurations that we have set, and you can edit also. So you edit them. So here you can just check or uncheck whichever that you think is not relevant for your case. Then you save them. Okay, so these are the configurations you have. So for my case, it's all of them. So that's it. So the next thing we need is API credentials. That's the most important one. So you'll get your admin API access token after finishing with the configurations there. So your admin API access token, you'll have to copy it and paste it somewhere safe, so that you use it later on. In this tutorial, we'll show you where to use it. So you'll see you have your API key and secret. So we have the API key here, you have the API secret here. Okay, but the most important thing that we will use is this admin API access token. So this one, you see it's hidden right here, but that's what you will need. So after creating it, you copy it somewhere. Okay, so This access token you use to request data from the admin API. So that's why we'll be using to update your orders on the platform and give you notifications on the orders status after customers make payment. So you saved your access token somewhere. That's it. So after this, now we'll go to our API. Okay, so our API is right here. So the register. So you'll find API from these important links on this. Then dev API documentation right here. We also have a Shopify integration tutorial. So if you click on this, it will take you to a workflow which will guide you through all the steps. I'll also include this on the description of this video below, so you can follow through. So we are going to now register our store now. So for this we need the API key from SPS. This is SPS account API key and the SPS account username. So then Shopify URL, then Shopify access token. So for the first two, this API key, the first API key and the username, this one you'll get it from your account here, my application. So that's your account API key. So if you come here, application, you'll see your API key is right here, and you'll see your username is right here, this one. So these are the two that we're going to use. So this one you can just say run in Postman if you want now to run this request. So it will open in Postman right here. So you provide your API key here, provide your username right here. Okay, API key, username, and Shopify URL and Shopify access token. So this Shopify access token is the token that we saw how to create it right here. This admin API access token. This is the one you copy and you paste it right there here. And for your Shopify URL, you have to go to domains here, and you copy your original Shopify URL that you were given that ends with myshopify.com. So if you have linked any custom domain, we shall not use that, okay, because that will give us trouble or problems when processing the payments. So this one will work swiftly. So this one that ends with myshopify.com, this is the one you'll copy. Okay, this is the one you will copy. This one, copy that, and you put it right here. So you'll ensure it has the HTTPS. Put it there. Then the access token, you put the access token right here. So for me, I have already registered mine. Okay, I already registered mine. So but I'm just showing what you do. You put the access token right there. Then your username and the API key there, that is from this side here. Copy that, put it here. This is the username. Then your API key also, you put it right there. Okay, but after you've successfully registered, yeah, this is how the response will look like. Okay, you'll get this successful response, status success. The message is Shopify store registered successfully once you've done everything successfully. So what's to note here from this response will be this account number. So for every Shopify store, you can register as many Shopify stores or shops as you want on your account, on a single account, but each will be given a unique account number to use. This is a unique account number that you will note down for each store that you have. So you get this, you save it somewhere, so that we're going to use it in the next step. So in the next step, we're going now to create the button now, the button that the user will use to pay. When the user clicks that button, we want to create that pay with Mpesa, Lipa na Mpesa button. So you go to checkout, still under settings. Under checkout, scroll down all the way down. Then under order status page, we want to add our custom script, so additional script. So you see, for me, I've already put the script right here. Okay, but we have the script is already in place. So if you use this Shopify integration tutorial here, you will see the gist, the code on GitHub gist that you just quickly use. So for this case, here it is. You go to GitHub gist there. I'll also include this link on the description. So you'll copy the entire code, this code. But what to note on this code, there's one thing here, this one, SPS on line 33 here, SPS store account number. So the account number that we got here, this one, you'll copy this and paste it here. Okay, so if you go to your Shopify code, once you've pasted it here, you'll just find it. Okay, here it is. So for my case, I pasted mine right there. We just paste it in that, assign it there, then save. After you've done with your code, you'll save the changes. Okay, you'll save the changes. For me, I've not made any changes, so, but for you, once you've done pasted the code, copied this code, pasted here, then save the changes. Then that's it. So we've gone through 3 steps. The first step was payments, creating the manual payment method Mpesa right there. We've included the additional details and instructions there. The second step was creating an app. You've seen how to create an app here, create an app, then configuration, the admin configuration, admin integration. You say you check all the configurations available. Then the API credentials, you'll get your admin API access token here. You copy that one to be used on our API right here. So API, you'll see that we need to provide your SPS API key username. This one is gotten from your Pay Hero SPS account, and this Shopify URL, you've seen you get your Shopify URL and put it here. That ends with myshopify.com, and your Shopify access token. You put it there, register, get your response, get your account number for the store you registered, and use it in this code right here under checkout. Now the last part is checkout and additional scripts. That's it. So you paste the account number right there, okay, and save. So that's it. Once you've saved everything, we are good to go. So we can go to our Shopify store and see if the button to Lipa na Mpesa has been shown. So I'll go to my Shopify store right here. So this is my shop. So I've created this product here for 1 shilling to test. Okay, so I'll say buy it now. Then the customer provides their phone number, provide the country, provide the details there. I'm just putting some dummy details there. Then confirms the shipping address, continue to payment. So you'll see now our custom payment method is here, our manual payment method, okay, that we created Mpesa is here. Then the instructions that we created right here. So the user has to actually complete the order first, so they can get the button to make payment. So, but if you complete order without making payment, that order will just stay unpaid from your end. Okay. So right here they've seen. So when you complete the order, complete it. So it will check for the status. Now pending. Now it will show the button here. Here's the button that we have created, okay, using our custom code. So this Lipa na Mpesa online. So all the customer needs to do is to pay now, but the order has been confirmed. So all they need to do is pay. So click pay now. Then it will take them to your Lipo link. So you see your Lipo link will be pre-filled with all the details of the customer, the phone number, the amount, and the payment reference. So all the customer need to do is maybe change the phone number. If they want to pay with a different phone number, they can change this one here, okay, or they can leave it as it is if it's the correct Mpesa phone number they want to make payment with. So they just click make payment, and they will receive an Mpesa prompt on their phones to make the payment. Okay, so for example, now check your phone for Mpesa prompt. So right now I have received a prompt on my phone, so I'll just proceed to enter the PIN here. Provided the PIN. Okay, so once the client has paid, has entered the PIN, all they have to do is just click I have paid. So if you have said I have paid, it will load, checks the payment if it has been received. So it will take some time. So if the payment has not been yet been received, it will still be reflected later on if once they pay. Okay, so once you go back here, you'll see payment received. Okay, payment has been received, so we no longer have the Lipa na Mpesa button right there. So payment has been received successfully to our store. So that's it from the customer side. They have already paid. So for you as the store owner, you'll see if you go to orders, you'll see our payment is here. This is the payment. You see it's been paid, and it actually reads the note for you here to see the payment message from Shopify itself. Okay, so you'll see the Mpesa code, you'll see the amount that is paid, that is 1 shilling, and the customer's phone number and the date and the payment channel they paid to. So from the order itself. So once, if it's a product that you need to ship or send to them, you just click fulfill item. But if it's any other thing, you can decide what to do with that right there. Okay, so that's it. We've seen how to integrate Mpesa payment on your Shopify store. So if you go to your application there, you'll be able to see the transaction from your account also as well. So let's see. So if you go right here, you'll see that the transaction is right here. Okay, for 1 shilling paid to your bank. There's no service fee charge because that's 1 shilling, so 0. Then there is a WhatsApp message sent to notify us of the payment. Okay, so that's it. So you get notified of the payment made, and that's as easy as that. So in a few steps, almost 4 steps, and you're done. If you have everything, you have everything up and running. So if you have any challenges, feel free to reach out to us. So apart from Shopify and WooCommerce, you can also just integrate these APIs to your own websites or systems. So using our documentation here, we have our WhatsApp group for developers. You can join using this link here. You can get assistance to integrate to your system or to your client's system or website quickly and easily. Thank you very much. Goodbye.